This is a tutorial on a very popular hymn, which is thought of usually as a kind of a patriotic song, America the Beautiful. And pretty simple song. A few more chords than the basic 3, but it only has a total of 7 chords, and a couple of those are just variations on others, same chord. So it's not as much as you might think. I'm going to show you how to play it as a piano soloist. So let's take a look at the melody here, and I'll go through the fingering with you. By the way, this is in the key of B flat, and you'll notice that it has 2 flats in it, B flat and E flat, which means every time you come to one of those notes, you've got to watch out for that black key, and it's not told to you in front of the note. It's just over on the side there by the treble clef, so you got to watch out for that. It starts with your 4th finger on the F, and there's your 1st flat on that E flat note, and you put your 3rd finger there and you go under with your thumb on the F, which lets you go up to where you need to be. Then you're going to start that phrase again, put your 4th finger on F again. Then it's going to go all the way up to this C note with your 5th finger. And then because you've got to go higher there, you're going to put your 3rd finger then on B. And then you go down to F and the D. There's your high note. There's another black key, that B flat, right there. Another B flat. Excuse me. I want you to put your 5th finger there on that C, and your 3rd finger on B flat, and 4th finger on that B flat. So some flats to watch out for, a little bit of fingering stuff to watch out for, but not that much. And then let me show you the chords for the left hand. You're going to start out with a B flat chord here, and we're going to do that one inverted so we don't run into our hands. So we're going to play it down here like this: D, F, and B flat. So when you're playing this, that keeps you from bumping your hands together. And that next chord is F. We're going to do that one like this: C, F, and A. You're going to go to that B flat like that, F, B flat, and D. And then we're going to move it down here the way we played it before: D, F, B flat. And your F is going to be like that: A, F, C, F, and A. And then you've got an interesting note there. I didn't talk about that. It's called an accidental because it's a B, but we're not B flat. It's a, that's correct. It's supposed to be a white key there. And you've got a G7 chord. So it's D, F, G, and B. And then a C7 chord. It was a bit faster there. E, G, B flat, and C. And then your F chord there, F, A, and C. Then we've got a F7 chord. Now, you could put that in optionally there. If you left it out, it wouldn't ruin the song, but I think you'll like the way it sounds. It's a F7, F, A, C, and then E flat there. And then we got a B flat chord, D, excuse me, F, B flat, and D. Go back to the F chord. And that's another F7 there. And then you got your B flat there, B, F, B flat, and D. And then this is also kind of a nice added thing where you do a B7 chord, B flat 7 chord there. Adds this note. So that's F, A flat, B flat, and D. And then you go to an E flat chord. Now that's a little bit trickier because you got a black key on either side there. E flat, G in the middle, and B flat on the top. B flat chord, F, B flat, and D. Another E flat, and B flat at the end. So this is what it sounds like when you put it together, both hands.